Hello there, and welcome to this video where we are going to be looking at the beginnings of file handling within Python. First things first, just to make sure everyone's aware that this is a sample text file, and we've got Thor, Iron Man, Captain America, and Loki, Thanos, and the Mandarin. So this is what we're going to be looking at, and I'll refer on to that more later in the video. So let's have a look and break down what this piece of code here is doing. So first of all, we are creating a variable here called file, and that is simply going to have within it sample.txt, and that's the name of this text file here. Note, the file extension here, .txt, is for the text file. We're then creating another variable here called f, and what we're going to do, we're going to use the open function, and we normally pass it two arguments. The first one is going to be the file name, and sometimes you can just stop there, and then you can also choose what you're going to be doing the file name. So for example, you'd put R if it's going to be read only, so only you're going to be looking at the contents of the file. W if you're going to write only, so if you're not going to read the file, you just want to put data into the file. A for appending, so whatever information you get put into there, it puts at the end, or R+, which is what we've used here, which is for reading and for writing. So with this, we can read the data, and we can also write data to it, but we're going to look at writing data later on. So then, we've created another file here called text, another variable here called text, and what this is doing is it's going to be using the variable f, which is taking the file here, which is opening it, and reading what's in there, so it's going to read what's in there. And then here, we're going to print text, so it's going to take the text variable here, which is the contents of this file here, and it's just going to print it and display it. And then finally, we're going to close the file. This line here, if you don't type it in, it won't work, and it will just won't do anything, and it'll can come up with errors. So always make sure, it's also good practice as well, that you close the file. So if we see this in action now, you can see Thor, Iron Man, Captain America, Loki, Thanos, the Mandarin. And that information there is taken from this text file here. At which point there are different things that you can do with it. You could put the contents into an array. You could use functions to be adding information from different text files. The possibilities are pretty much endless. I hope this video has been helpful for you. In a future video we are going to be looking at writing and also appending data to a file. I hope this helps. See you soon. Don't forget to like, comment and subscribe.